All right, so for your second editing piece for this week, there are actually 2 pages to this. So instead of separating it out, I just put it into a single document, although it is worth 10 points. So the first part of this is an editing review. So you're going to see a paragraph below that is full of errors. And I did a snip on this so you can't see where there might be errors. It was just a copy and paste kind of process without it being in Word. But you're going to find that there are formatting, spelling, punctuation, capitalization, grammar errors, everything of sort. So you are going to rewrite the paragraph correcting for all of the errors in the space below the paragraph, or if you want to do it in a separate file, that's okay. So you'll notice that you need to focus on indenting, centering, making the changes for the spelling. You can make any changes you want to this. So you can join sentences, you can add punctuation, delete punctuation, change capitalization, all of those things. So many, many things. You'll have something again like this on the final exam. So this is one of our first chances to practice on this. If you're using the Word document, you'll again see a text box that you can go ahead and type in, and that will naturally grow for you if you move beyond a certain level. Otherwise, you can create a new file with this information. That's fine, as long as we have it in. The second part of this assignment on the second page is using transition words to connect two ideas. And in this case, you're going to be correcting for the incorrect use of a transition word with a semicolon. So you'll see some of the examples listed there for you. And in some cases, you have the wrong context. And this is where your spell check will allow you to type these sorts of things, but it won't actually be correct. And so it's up to you as the writer to be able to find that. So for each of these, you will change the transition word, and you want to write a new sentence that best uses a transition word, a subordinate conjunction, a coordinate conjunction. So again, you can make any changes that you want so that you wind up with these clear and correct compound or complex sentences. And so you can change the semicolon to a comma and an and. You can keep the semicolon but put a different transition. You can get rid of that punctuation entirely and put like a because in the middle. Whatever you think would be most appropriate. So you'll have 8 brand new sentences for this. And so make certain that you go back, if you're having any issues, you can go back to Writing Center number 6. It had the layout for each of these. And again, 8 sentences. You can type directly on the Word document, or you can do a separate file. And then each assignment, each page of this file will have 5 points each. So if you want to submit the first part, and then you can submit the second. Good luck. We'll talk more in class.